over here, Jenna.
Hello. Oh
Hey.
man, that hurts.
Hey guys, so today
we're
we have
the slime kit.
Nickelodeon slime kit.
Alright, so here you can make scented slime, glitter slime, foam slime, glow in the dark slime, or neon.
I think I might make the glitter slime and the neon slime.
I want to make the scented slime and the glitter slime.
Okay, so let's open this up.
Whoa. Here, get all of these. I don't want anything to
Whoa.
There's one bowl, so you can make it first.
Okay, I'll make it first.
Okay, so where are the directions?
Oh, there it is.
There's not two bowls. Okay, so we got some glitter, we got some paint. I think I want to do the blue for mine and the pink.
Okay, so I'm gonna make mine first.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the blue and the pink.
So are these measuring cups?
I think so.
Oh yeah, this one is. 15.
I guess you can make a bigger.
White slime.
We got these. We got this spoon and two of these.
Well, this is actually cool. There's clear slime glue and just. Aha! I might make mine transparent.
I make these. Alright, so
Hold on, I'm gonna do mine first.
Okay.
Oh, Jenna, this is the measuring cup. Those are just bowls for your slime. No, Jenna, you need to wait for me after I'm done.
Oh, everything everywhere.
So I gotta measure 15 ml. That's
I love making
15 milliliters.
Which one are you doing first? Neon or
I think I might make glitter.
These ones are good.
I'm gonna make glitter first.
Alright, I'm gonna make glitter.
So I got 15 milliliters of clear glue.
Please don't use all the glitter.
I won't. But I thought you said you wanted to make scented glitter. And then you need to measure. Hold on, 20 milliliters of water. Hold on. 1 second, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back and I got my water that I was drinking. So I gotta pour some in here.
Can I use that big bowl after you?
Yeah, after my turn.
Okay.
Now I gotta measure
20. What is this? Oh, slime activate. These balls are pretty cool. You like glitter and what is that ball?
Oh no, I might have messed it up at 25. But that's okay.
Yeah, we don't fall in. They're cool.
Okay. Hey. I'm gonna add some color in. Some color. What color should I do, Jenna?
I don't know.
I think I might do
We also
some.
got pink and blue. I might actually use these colors for mine.
We're gonna make two.
Well, I'm gonna make them.
Wait, never mind. I'm just gonna add my glitter.
Into the bottle.
Want me to get scissors? Yes. Just gonna be right back with the scissors. We also have some foam. So, I'm out. Sorry guys, I messed it up and now I'm just adding 15 more water.
And the scissors.
You got the scissors? Okay, can you open up my glitter, please?
I was expecting like different colors of glitter, but it's still.
It's gold.
Here you go.
Okay, thank you.
Whoa, now it looks like I'm too white.
Okay, pouring in
Glitter.
glitter. There we we go. Hold on, why don't I add some more glitter? Okay, that's probably enough glitter. Why do I keep saying glitter? Okay, let's get started. Oh, you probably didn't see me this whole time. Sorry, guys. Fix it up. No, it's not slimy. Okay. Go foam. Okay, should I add foam or no? No. Go scented. Who's that scented? Oh, this. It doesn't smell like candy. I might add some of that. It does smell. What candy? You guys want to smell? Smell. Okay, that's not the color. That's not the correct one. Ew, that stinks. This one might actually smell like candy. These might be the color. These might be the scented ones. Yep. It smells like black coconut. Whoa, that's ooh. Okay, now mix it up. Mix. Oh my gosh, smell them. Scented glitter slimes. Sorry guys, gonna pick the camera really quick. You guys probably didn't see me this whole time. Sorry guys. Okay, let's just make my slime pretty. Oh, look at the shadow. How do I add glitter? So we were mixing and mixing for a few minutes. We also added the slime activator, and look at this stuff.
Yeah, so I guess now.
And it smells like so candylicious right now. You guys gotta buy this stuff. It's so amazing.
Alright, now it's my turn.
Yeah, now it's Jenna's turn. So Jenna, which one do you want to make first?
I might make
What kind?
glitter. I might make
Glow in the dark?
and foam at the same time. That's fine.
Glitter and foam?
Right, so
How about glow in the dark as well?
Yeah.
Okay, she's gonna do glow in the dark, glitter, foam, and probably scented. So she's basically gonna do all of them at once.
So how do
You want translucent or is this? Transparent? Oh man! Oh.
Alright, so
a
how
mess.
much?
Oh, I'll do that for you. You go to 50 ml. So then, you pour it in the bowl, the big bowl, while we replace your stick. Pour that in. There you go, Jenna.
I need one.
Oh yeah, we need.
I would
fill it
like
up.
to do the glue first because the water it like gets it.
Okay, so I need to measure 50 all the way up to that 20. Or not. Come on. Then I need to fill it up there. There we go. And then dump it in. Boom. Okay, so next, what do you want to add? Foam? No, first let's add in the glow in the dark stuff. Or foam. Okay, Jenna, I want you to mix it while I pour in the glow in the dark stuff.
Okay.
Good? Yeah, that should be good. Don't add all of it. I'm gonna mix it. Okay, do you want a scented color or just a regular color? There's more of the regular color. Would you want a pink scented color?
I might make mine.
You might make yours green, blue, purple, pink. Okay, it's unscented though. Is that okay? Okay. I want you to keep mixing it while I pour it in. Okay, maybe that's why we have a spoon. Oh my gosh, Jenna. You're supposed to use the sticks. Never mind. We'll use a stick.
No, come on.
No. Okay, Jenna, I'll just use this. Add a little bit of coloring. I'm gonna mix it. There you go. Then I'll.
Here, I think I need a little more. Don't forget that you can mix.
Yeah, you can mix colors, but there's no red. There's no red. So you can't make purple.
Looks very kind of good. Alright, now we need the axe.
Hold on, not yet. Is that all you want? No, Jenna, no more glitter. Hey guys, I went ahead and made another batch. This one's glow in the dark. It's sparkly green slime. But I don't think Jenna would be able to make another one today. Sorry, Jenna. You can probably make one on your channel later. Okay?
Okay.
Bye, guys!